I'm Sohail Agboatwala, Senior Vice Chancellor of Student Affairs. Basically, my job is to oversee admissions, student affairs. I also have the international students under me as far as making sure that, number one, recruiting them to come here. Number two, making sure when they come here, they have the services they need. I decided in fall of '88, later in the year, so January is when I came. I had a couple of friends up here. They said, hey, nice small town, very affordable. Troy is very affordable. Come here. You like it, and then transfer out. I came here 38 years ago. I liked it. Still haven't got to the transfer out part. What makes Troy stand out compared to our larger universities? Well, let's start with the campus itself. It's a beautiful, sprawling campus. It is Alabama's most beautiful campus. Everything up here is deliberate and by design. We don't want anything to look out of place, so we really have a strong feeling that if you don't do a good job outside your house, people don't want to come inside your house. You need to start with outside. But then you have to also deliver on the promise of the outside. When you come in, we have to have a quality program. We don't have classes with 200 people taught by GAs. Our classes are taught by full-time faculty that are committed to excellence. And a lot of our faculty have practical experience in the real world. One of the things that you have to be very mindful of, these students are here for a real world experience as much as you can get. And what better way to practice your craft than to actually do it? So a lot of our programs would allow you to actually have academic credit for a work type experience that can come right back. How is the teaching style here compared to the teaching style in people's home countries? I'll give you a perfect example of India. I had to memorize Shakespeare at home. I memorized it, 9th standard. That was in 1983. I still remember it. We were memorizing. The difference here, it is very different in the sense that instead of memorizing, it's more application. And I think we also need to learn how the world has evolved. When I grew up, I didn't have a cell phone. I didn't have a library in my pocket. Today I do. So with that, we need to be more application-based and learn how to interact with people, to be able to apply the technology, because we'll have a lot of, somebody's already created it, right? So how do you use technology to solve a business problem? So it's a lot of application. It goes away from the rote memorization to practical application. We promote value and values, always real, always Troy. We ask all our students to be respectful, speak appropriately, dress appropriately, behave responsibly, and value freedom. That is the Trojan Way. We believe that if you embrace the Trojan Way, you will have the courage to do what's right. You will be productive in the workplace, and you will contribute positively to society. So we like the Trojan Way. We like our culture. And we also believe that for our international students, we provide a good financial value. We have a scholarship available for you that knocks off your whole out-of-state tuition. I mean, that is a really good investment. You know, when you look at any other competitive university, if I can tell you, you can come here and get 1 year of college, 2 semesters, for less than $21,000 all in. When I say all in, I mean room, board, tuition, books, health insurance. I mean, that's a heck of a deal. So it's not just the values we talk about, it's also the value I talk about. And Princeton, US News, and Niche, all of them recognize us as a very good university, as a very good value, and a good investment for our kids' future. We don't just try. I think we are successful in giving our kids a big college experience in a friendly, small town campus.